Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular and secure self-custody crypto wallet, allowing you to manage many digital assets. Purchasing BNB directly within the app is straightforward, offering multiple payment options. You can use common methods like debit or credit cards, mobile payment services, or even bank transfers. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful transaction from start to finish. To begin, download the Trust Wallet application, available for both mobile and desktop. Once installed, you'll either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, keeping this 12-word phrase secure is paramount for your funds. After setting up your wallet, navigate to the main screen and locate the Buy button. This is your gateway to acquiring various cryptocurrencies, including BNB, directly within the application. Next, you will select BNB from the extensive list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Once chosen, simply input the exact amount of BNB you intend to buy. Trust Wallet partners with several third-party providers, so you'll then select your preferred option and payment method, such as a credit card. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to complete any required identity verification and finalize your payment details securely. After successfully completing your purchase, your BNB will be deposited directly into your Trust Wallet, usually within a few minutes. It's important to note that while Trust Wallet itself doesn't charge a direct buying fee, the third-party providers do, along with network gas fees. Remember, BNB is crucial for covering transaction costs on the BNB Smart Chain. Always ensure you retain a small amount of BNB in your wallet for any future transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.